Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today we have THETA FUEL TFUEL daily update, but before we begin guys, only 50 people can join in our signals group, our monthly subscription, because I don't have time for more and I want to give personal time to everybody. So therefore guys, you can join in right now before it is too late. Buy me a coffee/MindYourCrypto. Link is in the description down below. Link is in the description down below for the Telegram group chat as well. Let's see now a very important thing. If we go down to 43 cents or so, then we will lose a significant support line right here for TFUEL. Therefore, what you can see here is that we went up to 50 cents almost guys. We found sell pressure and now we are going a little bit down because the Bitcoin was in an overbought situation in the 4-hour frame. That's why we are going down. And you will see that we might reapproach. The question is if we can reapproach the 53 cents right now, or we will go all the way down. Let's see that guys. The MACD doesn't look good. We told that in the previous videos. We lost this support level right here. Now we are about to get a bearish cross, but we hope for to see higher lows and higher highs from now on. If we can go above this line, then it would be good, but in general guys, it doesn't look so good, right? Let's go to TFUEL in the USDT. You can see from the time we approached the 100, we didn't go even into an overbought situation, guys. From the time we approached the 100, we went all the way down. So therefore, because guys, this happened because of the Bitcoin, we went all the way down. We find at 50 cents, guys, our first target, 50 cents. We find sell pressure, then we went all the way down. Now we are near the minus 46 for the commodity channel index. We are near the minus 42 for the RSI, right? So for now, we don't have any oversold or any overbought situation. We had almost an overbought situation back then, but it is okay. According to the SSL channel, guys, the red line is above the green line, so we don't have now a buying opportunity, right? Let's go now to TFUEL, guys, in the daily frame. And on the daily frame, what is happening here on the Bollinger Bands? Let's see on the Bollinger Bands, we approached the bottom line, we had a buying opportunity, therefore we went upwards. Now if we reapproach the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands, yes, we will have an extremely oversold situation. The commodity channel index, guys, goes almost below minus 100. It isn't yet in an oversold situation on the daily frame, so we can correct a little bit more. For the RSI, of course, we have more room to correct, but you always check the commodity channel index first for buying opportunities, for swing highs, and secondly the RSI, because you minimize the risk, right? When it is below 30 or it's approaching the 30, guys, you minimize the risk. Therefore, let's go to the MACD. On the MACD, it is looking bad because we had a bearish cross and now we are going all the way down. We don't have a sign of relief here because we wanted to see if we can have a bullish recross between the blue line and the signal line, and of course let the blue line going above the signal line, but now we don't have anything like that. Let's go to the SSL hybrid. I will close now the Bollinger Bands and we will go if we can have a buying opportunity here. We don't have a blue arrow yet, we don't go long, we have gone short here, guys. You can see we should sell here, we had a red arrow, and of course right now we can't seem to have a blue arrow yet. SSL hybrid, guys, is a good indicator, but you have to combine it with other indicators as well. You can't go only with one indicator, right? So therefore, let's go to TFUEL Bitcoin. On TFUEL Bitcoin, guys, things are looking worse than TFUEL Tether USD because we lost this support line right here. Therefore, what we are hoping for is to find a good buying pressure around here and of course go upwards, because we don't want to lose this support level. These two major support levels, guys, for TFUEL Bitcoin. You can see the price label 0.4013. We get the price label because we divide the TFUEL's price to Bitcoin's price. That's how we go in there, and you can see that we have the 20-day MA as a resistance level. We have to stop seeing the yellow line as a resistance level for now and to start moving upwards. We are in an oversold situation, therefore we can do it, guys. On the RSI though, we are not, therefore we can correct according to the RSI. We are hoping that because of commodity channel index is below minus 100, the RSI has this low and therefore will go upwards. On the MACD, guys, doesn't look good, right? It doesn't look good. Although we hold the support level, we couldn't hold the other one, the next higher low. Now we are forming lower low pattern. Let's go now to TFUEL Bitcoin the daily frame. On the daily frame, guys, we are looking very good, right? We are looking very good because we have the 20-day EMA above the 50-day EMA, but we have gone now below the 20-day EMA, and we want to see if we can find the support level in the 50-day EMA, right? Because eventually if we go down from the 50-day EMA, this won't be so good. However, we are approaching an oversold situation. We are not in an oversold situation yet for TFUEL, guys, but we are approaching. Let's see here the bearish cross between the signal line and the blue line right now, guys. TFUEL Bitcoin chart, and we will see what we are going to do. Right now we are going to TFUEL, guys, in the Tether USD on the 4-hour frame, and we will see what we talked about before. Right now we want to maintain above and not even to touch the 43 cents. We don't want to touch the 43 cents. The reason is very simple, guys. We want to start forming a higher high and, of course, guys, a higher low pattern. We don't want to see it going all the way down to 43 cents. And the reason we corrected, guys, was not because the commodity channel index, because we approached the 100 but we were not in an overbought situation. It was because the 4-hour frame on the Bitcoin, you can see that we had an overbought situation. Therefore it is very healthy, guys, to correct, right? It is very healthy to correct for now, to go a little bit down. But on the daily frame at the same time, if we go there, guys, you will see something different. You will see that we had an oversold situation. Now we don't have, but we don't want to follow a pattern like this where we go down again, because this will mean that we will lose some major support levels. However, we have room to grow even more, and you can see drawing a Fibonacci retracement, guys, starting from this top right here, ending up to this bottom. You can see that how beautiful we found the 35,000, almost there, guys, as a resistance level. Now we are going down, and of course you can see that we have one more. This is my line, guys. This is 35,900, around 800 to 900, and of course we have one more 36,500, which is our 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level, right? So we want to see now if we can go up there. On the 4-hour frame, we had a huge buying pressure on the RSI, and on the 20-day EMA, sorry guys, on the yellow line, because both of these lines are yellow and I got confused. So we got a buying pressure here, and you can see that we want to maintain above the 20-day EMA, making it as our support level. So if we go around there, guys, if Bitcoin goes around there, which is very possible, guys, to retest 35,900 or 36,500, then of course we can retest 53 cents around there for TFUEL. But eventually now you have to be a little bit careful. I know there is the TFUEL mainnet 3.0 launch coming, guys, on 30 June. I know that, but you have to be extremely careful, because as I told you, guys, we would need to surpass the 62 cents, this line right here, making it our support level. From the time we didn't, and from the time we closed below, then we knew that we had a very high risk. Now we are going all the way down, but of course we have some signs of relief. First of all, if Bitcoin has a swing high, we go upwards, because now we depend a lot on Bitcoin. Because why we are depending a lot on Bitcoin? TFUEL Bitcoin chart, guys, isn't doing good. On the 4-hour frame, we are losing our position. Therefore, now we don't outperform Bitcoin. Like here, for example, guys, you can see the impulsive wave for TFUEL against Bitcoin. Whatever Bitcoin would do, if it was to go about 20k, we wouldn't care, right? TFUEL would go just upwards. But for the time being, we care about Bitcoin right now, and we care about what it will do. Personally, if we go down, guys, I want to be on point with you guys. If we go down from 43 cents, we are going all the way down. Lose your hope right here. But if we remain above the 43 cents, it will be very good for the short term, and it can mean that we can even go at 53 cents, which is our next target after we close above the 49 cents, making this support level. Next target 53 cents, around there you can take easy profits. If you see it going like this 7% around there, you can take some profits. And of course, we want to see what Bitcoin will do. Eventually it can retest some higher levels, because as I told you guys, the commodity channel index here, the correction is very logical. We went above the 100 for the 4-hour frame in the commodity channel index. Therefore, it's very logical to just correct, right? We wanted to see we can correct, therefore we corrected. Stopping here for Bitcoin will be good, going a little bit above and of course beyond, sorry guys, this line right here will be very bad. If we go beyond 32,500, then we are going to lose our higher low pattern and eventually crumble more down. So that's it for today, guys. Join our signals group. 50 people only are available to join, and of course join our Telegram group chat. Give a like and a subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.